Hey guys, Alec back again. Maybe you've visited my YouTube channel called How to Fix Your Small Business Problems. Maybe you haven't, but the reason I'm in this video today is to tell you that I'm looking to buy a small business. Okay, I'm in the market right now. What I'm looking for is a business that's established, been in business for at least 5 years, and doing at least $2 million per year in sales and seller's discretionary earnings, which is a variation of profit of at least $300,000 per year. So if you know someone who's looking to sell in any of the following industries, get in touch with me and we can cut a deal on commission for you. You'll be paid if we can do the deal. So construction, businesses that I'm interested in: construction, engineering, IT services, distribution, and manufacturing. Those are the 5, okay? So if you know someone, again, who fits that criteria, is looking to sell, send them my way. I'm not interested in working through brokers. I'm looking to deal directly with the owner. So if you have direct access to the owner, or you are the owner and you're wanting to sell, let's get in touch and get in touch with me. The information down below. Look forward to talking to you. Have a great day.